Right. So Alan, a customer that we've worked for in the past, came with the brief of a Harley Scrambler, and George was enthusiastic, took the lead on
Pleasantly
this one.
surprised to do something a bit different sometimes, isn't
Exactly.
it? You know, so yeah.
Kind of like you. So, George, what did we start with? What did we end up with?
It was a 2001 Dyna Lowrider, which we stripped down completely, had the engine apart, powder coated, whatever's necessary. And Ben already had the benefit of an S&S gear-driven cam set in it, which was great.
Yeah.
So it's rebuilt wheels. Panda made a rear tail section, and Tom covered the seat.
Yeah, East County Customs.
Yeah, Panda also made the lovely front little nacelle thing with the lamps in it.
Yeah.
And the titanium exhaust as well. So yeah, electrics, motor gadget, just about all motor gadget, all the Kellerman lights.
Yeah. Swing arm from
Speed, did you say Speed Dealer?
Yeah, Speed Dealer.
Yeah.
Friends of ours in Joplin, US. This is the first one they've done for a Dyna of this age, so it was nice to have the first one here. It fit like a glove. Yep.
Yeah.
And it's
nearly done.
All the suspension
Yeah.
you may have mentioned. Yeah, so it's a real trick bike. You'll have fun.